Bold speaks to the cooking as well as the presentation. With 20 years of experience, Chef Michael Mina has made a mark on the culinary world with his bold cooking style at his signature restaurants like American Fish at Aria Resort and Casino at City Center. You have 4 signature cooking methods here.
Yes.
One being salt baking.
Yes.
Which really surprises me because that's an unusual thing to have on a menu. Can you explain salt baking and show us through the process?
Absolutely. So what we're going to do today is we're going to salt bake a prime rib. And so what we've done is we've seared the prime rib. We've actually grilled it on the wood fire grill to impart the grill flavor, but to also seal it. There's 2 different types of salt baking that we do here. This one is more of the idea of steaming like a clay oven, but imparting those flavors. And so the salt is actually mixed with egg whites and water. And,
wow.
And when it cooks, what you're gonna see is we're gonna make, really it's gonna make a dome. We're gonna put some herbs on here, and we will then pack the rib, more herbs. I go fairly heavy now on herbs. So we get all the nice aromatics will steam inside of the salt. And now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna pack the top of it. And it's important to seal it really well because that's what will create the oven effect. And so the prime rib will actually steam right in the oven. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna bake the prime rib for about an hour, hour and 15 minutes at about 275 degrees. The slow cooking, it helps to tenderize the meat, and then we crack it open and we have the beautiful tender meat.
I can't wait to see it.
Thank you.
So Chef, if I were to order this at the restaurant, would it come to the table like this?
It comes to the table exactly like this. We actually crack the crust. Literally, it cracks. And so now you expose it.
Beautiful. So the salt really isn't embedded into it.
No, the salt peels away, just like so.
Oh my gosh, I can smell that.
And yeah, all those
That
herbs,
smells delicious.
the herbs that we had before that we'd put on it, you see, are in here. We'll leave those tools. Give it a quick brush, just brush off the excess salt. So, you know, the cooking at 275 at that nice, slow, even heat, enclosed in the salt crust, gives it that really, really tender meat.
Wow.
And so you start with 30-day dry-aged piece of prime rib on the bone, salt baked, grilled on a wood fire grill first. You got some flavor.